Hi students, we are going to revise our previous lesson. At the previous lesson, we discussed about the difference between the use of Kyrgyzstan and other developed countries. Now my students will answer their opinions about it.
Could you find a way to let me down slowly?
According to our estimates in Kyrgyzstan, about 4,500,000 people over 15 can read and write. This represents 99.5% all of total adult population. In this case, the total population means all of the people over 15 years old. Accordingly, about 21,000 people are still illiterate. The concept of use in this case covers the population aged 15 to 24 years inclusive. As you know, at the moment, universities in Kyrgyzstan graduated specialists in unclaimed areas. The labor markets require certain knowledge, young specialists, which differs from what knowledge they receive and with which they come to work.
Could you find a way to let me down slowly?
Hello, my dears. Today we will speak about use of developed countries. The upbringing of foreign children is slightly even very different from ours. Say in Korea, children are taught their own language up to grade 4. Parents seeing the mistake of the children and they don't scold, don't punish them, just give them the opportunity to understand the mistakes. Well, in the USA, children are given from early childhood to solve the problem. They make it clear that in life there are important problems that need to be solved in order to come to a good life. As for education for to college after school, then to college for professional students. And only after this college they go to university. During this time they master their skills well. They make good figures. The influence of foreign youth on their country is very great. They are treated with respect and try to support in any business. Since the future of country is in their hand.
Well done, Ayday and Ajamal. You did your task very well. Thank you. See you the next lesson. Goodbye.